Hi students, how are you all? Hope you fine. In our previously, we have successfully completed our second chapter, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Today, we are going to learn our new chapter, third one, which is the third chapter, simple equations. Our third chapter name is simple equations. What is simple equations? In early class, we have learned something about simple equations. Equations such as x plus 3 equal to 8, 5x is equal to 20, for example. And we have also some puzzles solved based on the simple equations. What is the simple equations? What is the simple equations? The linear equation is one variable is said to be simple equation. The linear equation is having only one variable is said to be simple equations. The two equations are linear equations because of degree of the variable is 1. Degree of equations is 1. The two equations is only one variable x. The two equations are having only variable 1 or variable x. So what is the LHS and RHS of the equations? What is the LHS and RHS? What is the LHS and RHS means? The expression which is the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Which is the expression of the left. Finally, simple equation means the linear equation is one variable. In one variable is said to be the simple equations. Simple equations. Let's see. Exercise we are doing first exercise 1. First one. Write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. We already know what is the LHS. LHS means the expression which is left hand side is equal to the which is the expression of the right hand side of the equality, right side of the sum. So here first sum 2x equal to 10. 2x equal to 10. Here LHS equal to 2x. LHS equal to 2x. The expression which is equal to the right hand side which is 10, which is 10. In this expression left hand side which is equal to the sign 2x equal to 10. That means LHS is equal to 2x, RHS is equal to 10. Every simple equation is a variable. We should find the value of the variable. Every simple equation as a variable, we should find the value of the variable for which equation is satisfied. In this variable LHS equal to RHS. One, solve the following equations by trial method and error method. In this, giving 4 bits is there. By using these problems, these sums, we have to using these methods. We have to find the equation by using the trial and error method. Let's see. By using the error and trial method, value substitute the variable. We will find whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. In this, given sum, variable is y. Variable is y. So let us substitute y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. LHS equal to 2 plus y. LHS is equal to 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So RH is equal to 7. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Why? Because LHS value is 3, RH value is 7. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Let's check with substitute the y value is 2. LHS equal to 2 plus y. LHS equal to 2 plus y. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. RHS equal to 7. So LHS is equal to 4. RHS is equal to 7. So in this also LHS is not equal to RHS. So this also we substitute the value y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. LHS equal to 2 plus y. 2 plus y value is 3. 5. RHS value is 7. This also LHS is not equal to RHS. Let's go with y value 4. LHS equal to 2 plus y. 2 plus 4. That means 4 plus 6. 6. So RHS is equal to 7. LHS is not equal, here also not LHS is not equal to RHS. So in this we have to see y is equal to 1 value, y is equal to 2 value, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Along with this process, still we did not get LHS is equal to not equal to. Now LHS is equal to RHS. So we will continue this process. Where both LHS and RHS equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y value 4. Let's check with the 5. 5 means let us substitute the y value 5. LHS equal to 2 plus y. That means y value 5. 7. So LHS is equal to 7. RHS is equal to 7. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Whereas we write the solution. Write the solution y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. In this way we have to by using the trial method, and by using the trial method we have to find the solution. In this we have to find this problem solution. We have to find the another method. Let's see how to solve the another method to get the answer. Here 2 plus y equal to 7. How to y is the variable. First you have to find the variable value. So 2 plus y equal to 7. Variable value y. So y equal to 7. Here plus 2 is there. When you move to the right side, it turns into minus 7 minus 2. So y equal to 5. 7 minus 2, 5. In this way also we have to find the, in this method also, by using this method also we have to find the variable value y equal to 5. Let's check with second sum. A minus 2 equal to 6. A minus 2 equal to 6. In this variable is A. Let us substitute. Substitute value A equal to, here I am taking 2. See, LHS equal to A minus 2 equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So RHS equal to 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So 2 is not suitable for the value of A. Let's see next one. A equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to, sorry, A minus 2 equal to, LHS equal to A minus 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. 3 is also not suitable for the variable A. For example, A value take 4. LHS equal to A minus 2. 4 minus 2. 2. RHS equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to, this also not equal to RHS. So A value A equal to 4 is also not suitable for the LHS is equal to RHS. So let us check with 5. A value 5. LHS equal to A minus 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. It is also same. LHS is not equal to RHS. Let's go to 6. Go with 6. Sorry, go to 6 means LHS equal to A minus 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Here also same. RHS equal to, sorry, RHS equal to 6. Here, sorry, RHS equal to 6. So this is also not equal to the LHS equal to RHS. So why? LHS value is 4, RHS value is 6. So it is also not equal to RHS. Let's check with 7. LHS equal to A minus 2 equal to 7 minus 2. Answer is 5. This is also same. LHS is not equal to RHS. At least 7 is also not suitable for the A value to get the LHS equal to RHS. Let's go with 8. 8 equal to A value. For example, you have to substitute the value. Let us take A value 8. LHS equal to A minus 2. That means 8 minus 2. Answer is 6. Therefore, RHS value is also 6. So, LHS equal to RH values. The solution of the A equal to 8. A equal to 8. In this problem also we have to do in another method. Let's see. Observe. What is the second one? 8 minus 2. A minus 2 equal to 6. In this, given some variable is A, we have to find the A value. So, here A in 6 minus, 6. In this minus 2 is there. When you moving to the left hand side, minus value is plus. 6 minus 6 plus 2 equal to, therefore the A equal to 8. This is the simple process to solve this problem. Coming to third one. 5m is equal to 14. In this given sum, 5m is equal to 15. In this given sum, variable is m. So we have to substitute the value of m equal to, start with 2. M value, put some value is equal to 2. Put some value is equal to 2 means, let's take m value is 1. 5 into 1 equal to 5. LHS is equal to 5m. 5m into 5. RHS is 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Let's see. Take under m value is 2. LHS equal to 5m. 5 into 2, 10. Here also same. LHS is not equal to RHS. Coming to 3, LH is equal to M, 5M, 5 into 3, 15. In this, RH is also same. RHS is 15. RHS is 15. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the solution, M is equal to 3. The solution, M equal to 3. In this problem, we have to do the another method is also here. Here we have to check the 5m is there. Find the variable if in this m. So m is equal to 5 into m is multiplication. When the multiplication is moved to the right side, it is division. So 15 by 5. 5 into 15 3 times. So m is equal to 3. M equal to 3. In this way, we have to find some problems following the equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method. Here fourth one is also there. I will explain only error method. 2n equal to 14. Find the value of variable is n. When the multiplication move on to the right hand side, it is division. 14 by 2. How many times? 7 times. Therefore the n value is 7. Easy way.